In this video, we will learn how to add a Network Address Translation Rule, or NAT Rule, from MyAryaka. Network Address Translation allows you to translate IP addresses and ports for traffic flowing between networks. NAT translates private IP addresses into public IP addresses, allowing private IP networks to connect to the internet and hide the internal network behind the public IP address. The NAT Firewall tab page enables you to add a rules-based firewall with advanced network address translation, port forwarding, port address translation, source NAT, and destination NAT bypass capabilities. First, log into the MyAryaka portal. You'll want to make sure you have read-write access to the MyAryaka portal. Navigate to the Config tab in the top nav. Select Sites from the left navigation and search for the site you want to make changes to. Navigate to the Advanced Settings. Select NAT/Firewall. Click on Add New Rule. Enter the required rules such as type and protocol. In our example, we'll set up a NAT rule for the private IP address 10.10.10.10.10 to translate to 11111. Click OK. Click the Submit button to send the change request to Aryaka Support for processing. Aryaka Support will validate the changes and push the changes. You'll see the requested change in the provisioning status when you're submitting changes. After support has made the changes, the status will change to configured state. Thank you for watching our video. For further questions, you can click on the Help tab.